Briefly and totally forgetting how afraid of heights I am, I boarded the lift.
Yes, this is as terrifying as it seems. So we're getting higher. Oh, every time this thing stops. What is that? Oh God, what is that? Ah!
I realized immediately this was the worst day I could have picked to wear flip-flops. One slight movement of my toes and my footwear would fall to the chasms below, and I would be doing the rest of the scenic overlook barefoot. Once I arrived at the top, the view was absolutely breathtaking.